Hello everyone. Today I'm going to prepare thecha, an exciting side dish had along with many rotis, and it is made with green chilies, garlic, and few spices. The spicy green chili and the pungent garlic is coarsely ground and tempered with mustard seeds, hing, to give it a spicy chatpata taste. You can make this in small batch and store it in your refrigerator for later use as well. The thecha might be quite fiery to taste, but it goes very well with a nice hot roti, example like bajra, jawar, or even rice roti. We'll start adding oil to the pan, then 3 tablespoons of peanuts, and it's time to roast them. Roast very well. The peanut should be lightly brown in color. It will not take more time. Now we are going to add few curry leaves. Roast very well. You can add handful of curry leaves as well. Now it's time to add few spring onion. So this will enhance the taste, and roast it. It's time to add few green chilies. You can take less spicy one also. Here I have taken dark green chilies and roast it very well. We can check the color of each and every ingredient in this. Now it's time to add half teaspoon of jeera powder or cumin powder. Mix it well. Now it's time to add handful of garlic. I have added here 3 tablespoons of garlic pods, 10 to 15 in numbers. Roast it very well until the garlic changes color. Now salt to taste. Once you'll get to know it is completely cooked, green chili has slightly changed its color, so it's mouth watering. Let me grind this. So here I'm using mortar and pestle and rolling pin board. Usually we'll use for chapati. With these two, I'm going to grind the mixture for thecha. Slowly add in batch, little by little, and grind this slowly for about 5 to 7 minutes. As this is half cooked, we can easily make it to paste. This is a traditional way to use a stone for grinding, because the stone made hand grinder has great health benefits, and also it is a good source for immunity builder. And look at the texture now. After grinding for about 7 to 8 minutes, you can check the texture. It is not finely ground, but it is coarse. Using this chapati rolling board, we can make it easily as well if you don't have mortar and pestle. The same way, take 2 or 3 tablespoons and start grinding it. So this will take little longer time compared to that, but the result will come out very nicely and the taste will be totally different. This require little patience and also passion. So if you have these two, then for sure you will get the taste. After doing for around 5 minutes, I'm trying to crush the peanuts properly. So this is how the mixture look. This thecha you can use for hot jawar roti, ragi roti or for bajra roti. Keep this mixture in a refrigerator and use it whenever required. Thanks for watching.